Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code SU-30645-8. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Now, when you receive the error code SU-30645-8, this is a response to the PlayStation 4 software update file not being recognized by the PS4 system, and it has failed to fully apply on the console. So how do we fix this? Now, this can actually be fixed rather easily. If we go ahead and press the PlayStation button and hold it down, and bring up the quick menu, then go down to Power, and go to Turn Off PS4. And we're going to want to launch our PlayStation 4 into safe mode. And this is very easy, just follow the simple steps. Now with your PlayStation 4 completely turned off and no lights on the front of the console, go ahead and locate the power button and hold that down. You will hear one beep initially, and then about 10 seconds later you will hear another beep. Go ahead and let go once you hear it. Now your PlayStation 4 will be launching into safe mode. Make sure you have a USB cable plugged into your controller so you can go ahead and operate the safe mode menu. Now with your PlayStation 4 controller plugged in, let's go ahead and press the PlayStation button. And then under the safe mode menu screen, let's go to number 3, Update System Software. Press cross on this, and then go to Update Using Internet. Now if it has failed to apply the latest firmware update on your PlayStation 4, this will completely reapply the new update using the internet method. Let's go ahead and press next. And it is now downloading the latest firmware update and applying it to your PlayStation 4. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet, and it will restart your PlayStation 4. Once this update completes, you should be able to use your PlayStation 4 like normal. If this update didn't work, try using the USB method on your PlayStation 4 and downloading the latest firmware update from PlayStation.com. Otherwise, check out my video down below in the description on how to update your PlayStation 4 via a USB stick. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.